Alright guys, welcome back. And what I wanted to show you is where we are here in the solving of the Disney cube. And what that means is if I do this, and this, that is exactly where we are right now. So I have like the 6, and this kind of shape with these two cubes, and the same goes over here. It's harder to see because of this, but you'll see that we have this with that one. This is complete, and that is the one in the middle. So now, once I figure out this piece, we'll be able to move on to solving the rest of the cube. But this is going to be the most challenging part, and usually where I get stuck, even on this cube, because there's a lot of fiddling with the turning and stuff like that, and you don't want to mess up the rest. So that's where we are. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.